Hey, how's it going everybody? In this video we're going to be changing a starter in a 2010 Honda Pilot. So let's get into it. So the starter on this one is located down there. You can see the top of it. So what we're going to do is take the battery out, remove this piece, and this should give us enough access to get to the bolts and get it out. What this car is doing is every time you would go to start it, you'd hear a loud click at the starter, and the battery is testing good. So that usually means that the starter solenoid is messed up. Additionally, we tapped on the starter and it started. So that's another indication that it's bad. So you just saw me using the pry bar to move the harness right there and right there out of the way, so I get my tool on those bolts. But as you can see, the starter is right there, so we can now get to it. It's two 17mm bolts, and that top power cable has a 12mm on it and one connector going to it. That was my mistake. It actually has two 14s, not two 17s, that attach it to the front of the transmission. You saw it's kind of tricky to get this out, kind of working by feel with these bolts. You just get the right combination of extensions and you can get it off. But that's how you get this out. Installation is just a reverse of removing it. Alright, well I hope that was helpful. If you got any value out of this video, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, do all the things. Thanks for watching.